Hello guys, and in today's video I'm gonna be applying polyurethane to wood. So we bought an amazing furniture in IKEA, and Hermes series comes with unfinished top. So we like to drink coffee, tea, and so it's where I'm showing we didn't buy a TV stand yet. And we like to put a cup of coffee on a coffee table, and there is gonna be a big chance that a coffee table will have a stain on it. So to avoid that, I'm gonna be protecting a surface with polyurethane. We have pets, and I need to bring all furniture into the different room. So this is the product I'm using today. It's water-based, crystal clear, semi-gloss, and I'm actually using it the first time. It's the brush I bought. It's nylon, cost me about $10, and I read that in order to get a smooth surface, you have to buy a good brush. So just do not save money on cheap brushes. Buy a good one. So this is the product. It is white, kind of white color. And do not worry about the color, because later you will understand why it is white. So as you can see now, it is much easier for you to see if you miss a spot or not. So it's really awesome. And this is what before and after applying polyurethane. It is still wet. When it's completely dry, it's gonna be crystal clear. And now it's time for the last one. Cleaning the surface of coffee table and applying evenly polyurethane. And try guys to choose one direction, and so that way you will have a smooth surface, and do not forget about edges. And a dining table. And one awesome thing is when you applied a first coat, you can clean your brush with tap water. I think it's really amazing. Now I am checking surface, and I actually can see that I missed a spot. So it's on the corner. and I'm gonna be applying a second coat of polyurethane. Even though I missed just one spot on dining table, I decided to give a second coat for coffee table and shelves. So now it is the time to check again if I missed any spots, and I don't see any spots missed right now. So everything is really amazing. And just leave it to dry. So this is the final result. It is shiny, amazing, and I really like final look. So let me know, guys, what you think. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.